Good evening. Keyon Lucas is found guilty on all charges, including guilty of third-degree murder.
Lucas is the 17-year-old who was 14 at the time of the 2017 shooting. Samir Nefsi has been following the trial since day one. He joins us now in the newsroom with much more. Samir?
Yeah, Joe and Sean, good evening to you. Now, 12 jury members unanimously finding Keyon Lucas guilty, but not before calling Judge John Meade back into the courtroom to review a couple things. First being the lineup used to identify Lucas during the day of that shooting, as well as legal terms, as well as testimony from a witness. Shortly after 2 p.m., the jury calling Judge John Meade into the courtroom to ask him to read the legal definition of malice. Following the reading, the jury announcing they have reached a guilty verdict of third-degree murder and all other charges, including aggravated assault, flight to avoid apprehension, and recklessly endangering another person.
We're pleased with the verdict. We're happy that the jury came back and found him guilty of what we believed all along.
Lead prosecutor on the case, Grant Miller of the Erie County District Attorney's Office, saying that this was a difficult case, from having to postpone the trial due to evidentiary issues to having witnesses come forward.
Here in our case, we had eyewitnesses who were also victims and victims of the crime, and so that was a particular challenge for us, for them to be able to testify and follow through when they not only seen or heard different things, but they also were part of the tragedy that happened.
Miller adding Lucas's age at the shooting, 14 years old, shows anyone is capable of murdering someone.
Ultimately, we're trying to seek some amount of justice and some amount of accountability, and certainly our office doesn't take any pleasure in necessarily bringing about a consequence for a young individual.
Further explaining the goal is to also find some amount of closure for the victim and their family. As Keyon Lucas left the courtroom, he told his mother that he loved her, and she replied that, quote, "I love you, son." Both families, Lucas and Beeson's family, not commenting on the verdict. Now, Lucas will be back in court on April 27th for his sentencing. However, his counsel did ask that date be moved up to an earlier one. Sean?
Samir Nefsi in the newsroom tonight. Thank you, Samir.